Hello everyone. Under the reduction by red Al and diabal H, today we are going to discuss the reducing properties, which are the derivatives of lithium aluminum hydride. Under this particular topic, we are going to discuss sodium bis 2-methoxy ethoxy aluminum hydride, which is abbreviated as red Al, and diabal H, that is diisobutyl aluminum hydride. That two topics we are going to discuss in this lecture. First, let us see sodium bis 2-methoxy ethoxy aluminum hydride, that is red Al. This is abbreviated as a red Al, and it is the derivative of sodium. This is the derivative of sodium lithium aluminum hydride. This is the structure where aluminum is attached to 2-methoxy ethoxy group and 2 hydride atoms are there. This is the structure. It means in this structure, instead of 4 hydride ions, 2 hydride ions are there. It is abbreviated as a red Al. Okay, it is the structure of sodium bis 2-methoxy ethoxy aluminum hydride. Now let us see the applications of this reagent. The first is, see here it is aldehyde group. Aldehyde group is converted to primary alcohol by treatment with red Al. See the second example, here ketone group. Ketone is converted into secondary alcohol. It is same as that of lithium aluminum hydride. Aldehyde is converted to primary alcohol, ketone is converted to secondary alcohol. COOH, that is acid group, is converted to primary alcohol. The function is same as that of lithium aluminum hydride. Here you can see ketone is converted to secondary alcohol. C double bond O is converted to secondary alcohol. And C aldehyde, this is the benzaldehyde. Aldehyde is converted to primary alcohol. In this way, benzaldehyde is converted to benzyl alcohol. This is the mechanism of conversion of ketone to secondary alcohol. See, in the first step what happens, this aluminum, which is electron deficient, and there is a first formation of bond between hydride ion is donated by this lithium aluminum hydride derivative, that is ALH, to the carbonyl carbon. Pi bond is open on the oxygen and we get the alkoxyborane. That alkoxyborane on hydrolysis get converted to secondary alcohol. If I start from aldehyde, it means instead of 2 alkyl groups, one alkyl group may be replaced by a hydrogen, or both may be replaced by hydrogen. In case of aldehyde, what we will get? We will get the primary alcohol. Let us see other examples of reduction. Now see, ester on reaction with this particular reagent is converted into primary alcohol. It is the same case as that of lithium aluminum hydride. Ester is converted to primary alcohol. Acid is converted to primary alcohol. It is again same. See the step of reaction here. Acid is first converted into acyl chloride by the treatment with SOCl2, that is thionyl chloride, and then that acid chloride, acyl chloride, on further reaction with red Al, it is converted into primary alcohol. C double bond OCl is converted to CH2OH. This is the conversion of acid to primary alcohol via acid chloride. Now see this example, it is anhydride. Anhydride is converted to 2 molecules of primary alcohol, that is benzyl alcohol. Either this carbon oxygen cleavage takes place, or this carbon oxygen cleavage may take place, leading to the formation of 2 molecules of secondary alcohol. In this way, both the molecules will convert to, both the part will convert to primary alcohol, and we get 2 molecules. Now it is interesting to see, it is a cyclic ester which is called as a lactone. This lactone on reaction with red aluminum this ring cleavage takes place, carbon oxygen bond cleavage takes place. This part is reduced to OH. Similarly, this part is also reduced to OH. In this way, we get the we can say isolated. We can say the diol. Two OH groups are there, which are apart from each other. It is, see, the ring cleavage, carbon oxygen bond cleavage takes place. See here, C triple bond N is reduced to CH2NH2. It is same as that of lithium aluminum hydride. Cyanide is converted to CH2NH2. See, in this example, it is ketone. This is amine. Ketone plus amine. Dehydration takes place. There is a loss of water molecule, and the C double bond N formation takes place. C double bond N is formed. That is imine. C double bond O and this NH2, there is a loss of water molecule. It is feasible reaction. There is a formation of C double bond O, that is imine, and that on further reduction with red Al, reduction takes place across C double bond N. There is addition of hydrogen atoms, and CH-NH hydrogen addition takes place, and CH-NH bond formation takes place. So in this way we get the first cheap base, and then on reduction we get the amine. Yes, see, this is amide group. C double bond ON is there. It is reduced to CH2N. C double bond O is reduced to CH2 group. Amide is reduced to amine. Here C nitro group in case of lithium aluminum hydride is converted into NH2, but in case of red Al, there is a variety of product formation takes place depending upon the reaction condition. We may get the azoxybenzene, azobenzene, or hydrazine, phenylhydrazine, depending upon the reaction condition. Nitro group means dimerization takes place, where we get this different type of product depend upon the reaction condition. Now let us see the role of red aluminium to open the ring, epoxide ring. Epoxide ring, see, at the alpha carbon there is OH group. This is the epoxide ring, and this is maybe open from this end or from this end. So from which end it will open? It will open from the OH group. Means, see, at the alpha position there is a OH group. Epoxide ring, there is alpha carbon, then OH, that ring opening reaction takes place from that end. Here also see, from one side phenyl group is there to the epoxide, from one other side CH2H is there, and the ring opening reaction takes place from the OH side, and we get the product as shown here. See, the ring opening takes place from the OH side. At the alpha position there is a OH group. Ring opening reaction takes place from that side. Ring opening reaction takes place from CH2OH group side and not from the alkyl substituent side. We get the diol. So okay. Now next point is we know that the lithium aluminum hydride and the sodium borohydride does not react with the carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. We already discussed that, because there is a repulsion between hydride ion and the carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond, because hydride ion as well as the carbon-carbon double bond and triple bond are electron rich. Now this particular is reduction is related to only the propogylic means carbon-carbon triple bond. Here see, at the carbon-carbon triple bond and at the
this is carbon-carbon triple bond. This is alpha carbon with respect to this functional group. At the alpha carbon there is a OH group. In such case, the carbon-carbon triple bond is reduced. There is addition of hydrogen across this carbon-carbon triple bond, and the addition is anti-addition. Two hydrogens are added from the opposite side with respect to each other. Trans addition, or we may say it is a E isomer. E stands for antigen. This is again similar type of compound. Here only the phenyl ring is replaced by this trimethyl silyl group. but it is again same type of compound where carbon-carbon triple bond is there, then CH2 group means alpha carbon, then OH. So addition of hydrogen across carbon-carbon triple bond and E isomer is obtained. This is again similar type of compound where this carbon-carbon triple bond and then there is a ester group attached. So on reduction with this particular reagent, addition of hydride ion across carbon-carbon triple bond means partial reduction takes place, but the stereochemistry is very important. Addition takes place at anti-position with respect to each other, hydride ion addition. Okay, we will not discuss this mechanism. This is similar to the previous which we have discussed in case of aldehyde and ketone. Now let's move to the other reagent which is a derivative of lithium aluminum hydride. It is abbreviated as a diabal H. S stands for hydride ion. Di means two isobutyl groups are there, and this Al stands for aluminum. That's why it is abbreviated as diabal H. It is long, its long form is diisobutyl aluminum hydride. This is aluminum hydride. One hydride is there only. In case of red Al, there are two hydrides. Now this is the isobutyl group CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. This is the isobutyl group. Two isobutyl groups are there attached to the aluminum. So it is a diisobutyl aluminum hydride. The speciality of this reagent is that there are only one hydride ion. That's why it is a specific reagent. Let us see its functions. The reaction conditions matters. If you carry out the reaction at the room temperature, if you carry out the reaction at room temperature, different products are obtained. If you carry out the same reaction at a low temperature, then the product is different. That is the beauty of diabal H. Let us see in detail. At room temperature, diabal H gives the same product as that of lithium aluminum hydride. That is, ester group C double bond OOET is reduced to CH2OH. Ester is reduced to CH2OH. This is amide functional group. Amide is reduced to CH2NH2. C double bond ON is reduced to CH2N. It stands for ethyl group. It is a means nitrogen is substituted with 2-ethyl group. Similarly, C triple bond N is reduced to CH2NH2. In all these three examples, that is in conversion of ester to alcohol, amide to amine, and cyanide to amine, C triple bond N to CH2NH2. In all these cases, at room temperature, the same product is obtained as that of lithium aluminum hydride. This is again, aldehyde is reduced to primary alcohol. It is again the same case as that of lithium aluminum hydride. Now let us see at low temperature what I told you in the earlier slide that at minus 78 degrees Celsius, at very low temperature, the ester is reduced to aldehyde. That is important. If you want to convert the ester functional group to aldehyde without converting it to alcohol, then you have to keep the temperature low, that is here minus 78 particular. Similarly, in case of C, this is amide. At room temperature, we have discussed that the amine is obtained, that is C double bond ON is converted to CH2N, but at minus 78 degrees Celsius C, the product is this iminium ion, and iminium ion on hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, get converted to aldehyde. So here ester as well as amide are converted to aldehyde at minus 78 degrees Celsius. That is the notable thing, particularly for this diabal H. Similarly, cyanide at this low temperature is reduced first to imine, CH double bond O, CH double bond NH means imine, which on acid hydrolysis get converted to aldehyde. So ester is converted to aldehyde at low temperature, amide is converted to aldehyde at minus 78 degrees Celsius. Similarly, cyanide C triple bond in N is also reduced to aldehyde. Now it is interesting to see the mechanism of this ester reduction, how this ester functional group, amide functional group and cyanide functional group get converted to ester. That is interesting to see. Sorry, that converted to aldehyde, not ester. See, this is abbreviation, this is the reagent isobutyl IBU means isobutyl diisobutyl aluminum hydride, that is diabal H. Okay, so see here, oxygen donates lone pair to the aluminum, Because why? Because the aluminum is electron deficient. It is electrophilic in nature. It is a neutral electrophile. Why? Because aluminum's octet is not complete here. It has only 6 electrons in the outermost orbit, and to complete its octet it required the electrons. So oxygen of the ketone is giving its lone pair to the aluminum, and the bond is formed between oxygen and aluminum. And see, on the donation of one lone pair to the aluminum to form this coordinate bond, after donation the oxygen is deficient, so positive charge has been written here, and we get this Lewis acid-base complex. Actually it is base, it is acid here, Lewis, and after a donation of lone pair to the electrophile, that is acid, Lewis acid, we get this complex which is unstable. And in the next step what happens, this hydride ion transfer takes place to the carbon. So this opening of the pi bond and the hydride ion transfer to the carbonyl carbon takes place simultaneously. So you can clearly see the CH bond formation, and these pi bonded electrons are open up here, and we get this one, that is alkoxy aluminum diisobutyl aluminum hydride. This is the alkoxy group. Finally, on a hydrolysis, see, this bonded pair of electrons are shifted here, so C double bond O, this carbon oxygen bond cleavage takes place. So what is remain there? R C double bond OH, that is aldehyde is obtained, and this part is removed as a byproduct. Okay, this is interesting to see here that this tetrahedral intermediate which is stable at -78 degrees Celsius. However, at room temperature it is not stable, so the product obtained is alcohol in that case. Okay, but in case of -78 degrees Celsius the product is aldehyde. So very interesting mechanism. After that, let us see the mechanism of amide reduction. This is amide, R C double bond O Ne2 Et2. Et stands for ethyl group, means NH2 hydrogens of NH2 are replaced by ethyl. This is our diisobutyl aluminum hydride, DiBALH. So oxygen will donate, it is a Lewis acid, base, it is Lewis acid. So it will donate its lone pair to the aluminum, coordinate bond is formed. This is the coordinate bond. After donation of lone pair from the oxygen, it will be deficient, so positive charge has been written there. In the next step, now see, this is the alkoxy, we can say it is a intermediate which is obtained, and which is alkoxy intermediate, we can say alkoxy diisobutyl aluminum hydride intermediate. Now these pi bonded electrons are shifted here because oxygen is deficient. Now carbonyl carbon is deficient. The moment the carbonyl carbon is deficient, this hydride ion transfer takes place. So transfer of this hydride ion and opening of this pi bond here takes place simultaneously. So after that, what is the picture? Carbon hydrogen bond formation, and this pi bond is open on oxygen, oxygen gain its lone pair, and we get this tetrahedral intermediate, which we discussed in the earlier slide, that it is stable at -78 degrees Celsius. Now it is nitrogen will donate its lone pair here, so C double bond N. The bond, after formation of this bond, immediately this bond cleavage takes place. It happens simultaneously, the carbon nitrogen double bond formation, pi bond formation, and the breaking of this carbon oxygen bond takes place simultaneously. So finally what we get? RCH double bond NET2, and as nitrogen donates its lone pair for the formation of pi bond, it have the positive charge, which indicates the deficiency. And in this way we get this iminium ion. C double bond N is imine, and the nitrogen having positive charge is called as a iminium ion. In this way iminium ion is formed. Now this iminium ion on acid hydrolysis get converted to aldehyde. In case of ester as well as amide, so far we discussed that at -78 degrees Celsius the reduced product with a DiBALH is aldehyde. Okay, and not amine here. Okay. Then mechanism of nitrile reduction. Nitrile means C triple bond N. C triple bond N is reduced to CH2NH2 in case of lithium aluminum hydride. That is, cyanide is converted to amine. But in case of nitrile, in case of DiBALH at -78 degrees Celsius, we get the aldehyde. Let us see the mechanism. The first step is same as that of previous, that we discuss, that is ester and amide. What will happen? The nitrogen here will donate the lone pair to the aluminum. Here this C triple bond and nitrogen is a lone pair containing atom which donates its lone pair. It is a Lewis base and aluminum is Lewis acid. The coordinate bond is formed between nitrogen and aluminum. And what will be the charge on the nitrogen after donation of lone pair? Of course, it will have the positive charge deficiency. We get this type of moiety. After that, as usual, these pi bonded electrons will be acquired by the nitrogen. As it is electron deficient, it have the positive charge. So immediately it will happen. The moment these pi bonded electrons are open on the nitrogen, what will happen? The hydride ion from the aluminum migrates to the carbon, which is deficient. So this migration of hydride ion and opening of this pi bonded electron on the nitrogen takes place simultaneously. So this CH bond formation and nitrogen gain its lone pair. We get this. This is the imine intermediate. C double bond N means imine, I-M-I-N-E. It is a functional group which on acid hydrolysis get converted to aldehyde. So in all these three cases at minus 78 degrees Celsius, which three cases? Ester, nitrile and amide, the product is aldehyde. That is the beauty of diabyl H. Okay, diabyl H reduces epoxide ring as usual. The ring opening reaction takes place from the less substituted side. In this, it will not open from this side because it is substituted, more substituted. The ring will open from this side. This and oxygen will have negative charge, so it will be OH, and we get this more substituted alcohol. Remember, in case of hydride ion, always the more substituted alcohol is obtained as a product after reduction of epoxide ring. This is all about these two reagents, that is red Al and diabyl H. Okay, thank you.